Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Karli. I am a Glam Seamless Pro Stylist, and today I'm going to be teaching you the method of hand-tied tape-ins on our wonderful model, Julia. The shades that we are going to be using are from the Priscilla Valles collection. This is her collection of the hand-tied tape-ins, and we are going to be using 7B, 8, 9, and 8. And I'm so excited to be using it today on Julia. Let's get started. So we are going to start by parting her hair just right behind the ears as normal, as you would for like a regular haircut. And then what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna find her whorl, which happens to be right over here on this side. Take either 2 fingers or the width of your comb and go below that. This I love to call the veil. This means that all of this hair is going to be sectioned away. And when I put the extensions in, this is going to fall over it and it's going to hide everything. So one of the rules that we're going to do too is, I'm sure everybody knows about the 2-finger rule away from the hairline, just to make sure that the person can put their hair up, it covers the extensions and all of that, but not everybody has a standard hairline. So what might be 2 fingers for me might not be 2 fingers for you. So it's really great to just really look at their hairline, see what's going on, and really customize where you're going to be putting the placement of the extensions. All right, so I just looked at all the shades that we have, all the beautiful shades, and I've decided that I'm going to be putting 7B on the bottom, and I'm going to be putting the number 8 on top, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm going to take a section pretty much the same width as the extension, and I am going to actually look through it, kind of move it up and down and see if I can see through it. If I can see through it, that's great. You wanna take the same kind of section as you would if you were foiling. So once that's done, I'm going to take off the one side here. Make sure the sticky side is up. We are going to take this up, put this down. Perfect. Gonna use the back of my tail comb. Any little hairs that are not supposed to be there. And I'm just going to meet each corner to corner, and make sure I really press it in there. And then what I love to do to make sure that it's really secure is I take the Priscilla Valles tape press tool, and I go in and I make sure that I take out any air bubbles that might be there. This is going to make sure that it is extremely secure, that it's super tight, and nothing's getting it. So we can only get 2 bonds in this section. That's all I'm going to do here. That's all we need. We definitely have our 2-finger space here to cover it, and on each side, and it's perfect. So we're gonna do the 7B on the bottom again, and the 8 on the top. And you can just tell, it is just match made in heaven. When you install them too close to each other, what happens is in the future when they grow out, they'll end up hitting each other, and that will be very annoying for Julia or any of your clients. So you definitely want to make sure that you have at least a finger in between to give them a little space to move. We're gonna start in the middle here and then go to each side. The reason I'm starting in the middle is because that's just where I feel comfortable starting, but also I know that I want to fill in any gaps, and I wanna go right in between the last 2 that I have. So they're right here, so I'm going to go a little bit above in my section and go right in between them. So you don't want to really move the scalp too much. See how it's moving? You don't want to do this and then stick it right there, because what will happen is her scalp will want to stay there and that's going to give her a headache. We want the scalp to be a natural fall, I guess you would say. You want it to be in a natural position. That way there's no extra tension and it's just laying right on top. It should feel really comfortable for her. So we did the 8 on the bottom here, and we're going to do the 8-9 on the top. And I feel like if you're watching and you're looking at all these shades, you might be saying, I don't get it. But as soon as you put them all together, it's so cohesive, it blends so seamlessly, and it's so beautiful that it's really incredible. What I want to do is I actually want to cut these in half. I'm going to take our Priscilla Valles nippers here, bond cutters. I call them nippers. So I'm going to go into it like this, cut like so, and here you go. This is the best way to cut so that you have the least amount of hair shed. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other shade, shade number 8. So what we want to do is when I go like this, I can see that the hair is getting pulled in this direction, which means that if I had an extension that's straight, it's not going to want to go in that direction. So even though we have the 2-finger rule or the comb rule, which is just about the same exact width that the hair is bending in this direction, it's bending here, but it's more straight here. So I'm going to actually put the extension right here. That way, this hair is free to do what it wants. It's not going to be pulled in a direction it doesn't want to go in, and that way when she pulls her hair up or down, it will be able to be manipulated the way that she wants it to. So I'm going to take my section right here, and even though it's cut in half, we can still do the same kind of sectioning as far as how deep it goes. Hey guys, so this is the end result. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Julia, do you love it?
I absolutely love it.
Great. It is so amazing. It has 3 beautiful shades in here from Priscilla Valles collection. It's beautifully blended. It's super long. I did go in and did a little bit of blending in here, nothing too crazy. And she has so much beautiful hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more to come.